Today we are going to see a nature cure technique for curing ulcers, indigestion, duodenal ulcer, intestinal ulcer, stomach pain, menstrual pain, hip pain, liver disorders. See, this small nature cure therapy is going to cure all these problems of your abdomen and problems of the eyes. Let us see how to do it. This is the right time. Every one of us should learn the art of self-healing. Yoga and nature cure is one of the best self-healing methods. In Tamilnadu, since 2000 years, we are practicing self-healing methods. Now, we are going to see how to manage this summer and the disease of the summer. So first, today we will see one of the best and important nature cure methods, mud pack. It is very simple but very effective in curing the diseases and also preventing from the harmful effects of the sun. So now we will see how to prepare the mud pack. 2 trays. One plate can be small, another plate can be little big. Take 2 plates and put a cotton on the plate like this. Yes, now you can fill the mud in this plates. The mud can be any type of mud. Just put water and make it into a paste. Very simple to prepare. And now we can fill this plate. Come on. Fold this cloth and this plate is ready. Now take small plate for eyes. Now you can see both the mud packs. Both mud packs are ready, and now we'll see how to place it in the human body. We'll see how to keep the mud pack on the abdomen. The mud pack is ready. Take this cloth which we have prepared before and just keep it on the stomach. And take the small mud pack and keep it on the eyes. Close your eyes. Yes. Just gently press with your help of your hands and gently press your abdomen. This is a small procedure of mud pack. This mud pack will cure many diseases of heat and make the liver function right. Though this is a small procedure, it can cure lots of diseases. Try it in your home. Daily morning, after doing some exercise, just lie down, keep this mud pack for 20 minutes. Just lie down, keep the stomach mud pack and eye mud pack, and just be there for 20 minutes, and then you can take the mud pack and you see the tremendous improvement in your health. The liver starts functioning right, the abdomen pain, the ulcers, and many more disease of your abdomen. Even it can remove the small cyst in your abdomen. So please do this and see how it works. Any doubts, you can contact us. A short recap. Take 2 plates. One is a small plate and the next is a little bigger plate. Take 2 pieces of cloth, cotton cloth. Make it wet and then put it on the plates. Make a mud paste and put it on the plate according to your stomach size. And then fold the cloth and prepare the mud pack. This is the first procedure you have to do, and you can use this mud pack for 10 to 15 days because you are going to use it for yourself. So you can use it for 10 to 15 days, and after that you can change the new mud. So first prepare this mud pack and make it ready, and you can keep this mud pack wet by pouring some water daily. After taking this mud pack, keep the mud pack in the shade and pour some water to it so that you can use it daily for 10 to 15 days. This is the first step you are going to do on this mud pack, and then lie down and keep the mud pack on your stomach and on your eyes. Wait for 20 minutes. This is all about the mud pack procedure. So preparing the mud pack and keeping it on your abdomen and eyes. And then after doing this, take the mud pack and keep it on the same plate, pour some water and keep it in the shade. And next day you can use it and do this procedure for 10 to 15 days. See how you feel. And this hot summer, you can use this mud pack and come out of many diseases. Thank you.